Okay, so hello my lovelies. I want to share with you guys my routine for my belly because a few of you have asked me how I don't have stretch marks on my tummy. So I'm going to show you what products I've been using thus far. I've been using the Spoiled Mama brand, boom, right here. This is their tummy butter. I've also been using their body polish, and I use this in the shower. If you're interested in any of these products, you could use code iamLindaElaine to save money on these products as well. Like once or twice a week, and I just want to say that when you do use this, your tub does get a little bit dirtier because of the oil, so keep that in mind. And then I like to follow up with Palmer's, the cocoa butter with vitamin E, and I definitely think all of these together have really helped me. I like to keep my tummy shaved as well, so I use the flamingo one because to me it's the best razor I've ever had. So I use this one and it lasts forever. So I'm gonna show you guys now my little routine for my little tummy to show you guys what I do. Okay, so when I'm in the shower, I use the body polish after I finish washing up, and I take about this size and I work in a clockwise motion around my belly. And don't forget to get your sides, because I know sometimes we focus on just the front of our belly, but the sides as well can get stretch marks as well. And if you do hear baby, yes, I already gave birth if you don't know, so she's right here in front of me. But after I do my scrub, I then go in with my razor because your tummy will be nice and smooth, so I'll just get the little stubbles of hair and then I just rub it in. Once I get out the shower and pat dry, I use the tummy butter, and as you can see, it's like pretty much done. I use a good amount of that all over my belly in a clockwise motion as well. Do not forget your sides, because yeah, we forget about that and then you get stretch marks on your sides but not the front of your tummy. So I work that in very well, as you could see. And what I like about this butter is it absorbs really nice. So as you could see, like, it goes right into your skin. It doesn't leave any residue. It's not sticky. That's Zara, you guys. She's trying to say hi. But as you can see, my belly is nice and moisturized. And then sometimes I like to go in with glycerin as well, just for a little bit of added moisture. I don't do this, or I didn't do this every night, but I did do it sometimes. Glycerin is very sticky and thick, so it just depended how I felt. But this day in particular, I did use glycerin, and to me, it's just a boost of added moisture, because that's really important to keep your skin nice and elastic so it doesn't stretch. What's wrong, mama? Zara wants to say hi to you guys. She likes attention. She's a Leo. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. Like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at Your Mexican Beauty, and I will see you lovelies later. My camera's dying, so I gotta speed up. Deuces.